Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the sky-high world of drones. On the left, we've got the ATTOP W10, and on the right, the TOMZON P5G GPS drone. It's a battle of the skies. And trust me, it's gonna be more thrilling than a seagull stealing your sandwich at the beach. So, buckle up and let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with the price. The ATTOP W10 comes in at a wallet-friendly $69. That's like less than a fancy dinner date, right? Meanwhile, the TOMZON P5G is priced at $159. Ouch, that's like 3 months of Netflix, and still enough left over for a pizza. So if you're on a budget, the ATTOP W10 is definitely the way to go. Reviewers also highlight the affordability of the ATTOP W10 as a major plus, especially for beginners. Next up, we're talking camera quality. The ATTOP W10 sports a 1080p HD camera with a 120 degrees wide view. It's perfect for capturing those epic aerial shots of your backyard barbecue. But wait, the TOMZON P5G flexes with a 4K UHD camera, 90 degrees adjustment, and 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like comparing your old Nokia to the latest iPhone. If you're serious about your drone photography, TOMZON P5G is the clear winner here. According to reviews, the TOMZON P5G's camera quality is highly praised for its clarity and detail. Let's talk control methods. The ATTOP W10 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. You can control it via app touch, voice, gravity sensing, gesture, and remote control. Heck, you can probably control it with your mind if you concentrate hard enough. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G is a bit more straightforward. You get GPS, follow me, circle flight, and a few other nifty features. It's like the cool, collected older brother who always knows where he's going. Reviews for the ATTOP W10 mention the variety of control methods as a fun and versatile feature. Flight functions, baby. The ATTOP W10 offers headless mode, 360 degrees free flip, trajectory fly, and 3 gear speeds. It's like the drone version of a roller coaster. The TOMZON P5G, however, brings in the big guns with its high-precision GPS, auto-return system, and a whopping 36 minutes of flight time. That's like 2 episodes of your favorite TV show. So if you want to fly longer and further, TOMZON P5G takes the cake. Reviews emphasize the impressive flight time and GPS features of the TOMZON P5G. Safety first, kids. The ATTOP W10 comes with 4 propeller guards and a low battery alarm. It's like having airbags in your drone. Meanwhile, the TOMZON P5G is lightweight at 238 grams and doesn't require FAA registration. Plus, it has an auto-return feature for when you're about to lose your precious flying baby. Both drones have got your back, but TOMZON's got a bit more finesse. Reviewers appreciate the safety features in both drones, but highlight TOMZON P5G's auto-return feature as particularly useful. Based on online reviews, the ATTOP W10 is praised for its affordability, versatility, and being a great starter drone, though some users have faced issues with control and setup. The TOMZON P5G is lauded for its superior camera quality, advanced flight functions, and reliability, making it a strong choice for more serious drone enthusiasts. So there you have it, smart shoppers. If you're on a budget and want to have some fun, the ATTOP W10 is your go-to. But if you're looking for top-notch camera quality, longer flight time, and advanced features, the TOMZON P5G is worth the extra bucks. Either way, you're gonna have a blast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart and buy smart, folks. See you in the next video.